Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on developer mode on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and now here you will find advanced settings. Click on it. Here, as you see, you will find developer mode. Here, just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on developer mode on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.